I'm going to introduce our final project, UMassenger. And I'm Paul Shen, and my group mate is Xinyu and Melvin Lai. And our team name is First Group. UMassenger is a web application designed for college students, which is a social platform. You can imagine like it is like Tinder, but our final goal is to create a proposed platform where college students can connect with like-minded peers and maybe share like academic interests or engage in some meaningful conversations. And this is because we found that there are no suitable platform to meet or discover different students in the same college. So we hope that this platform can connect to our students together. And we will start this project by three basic functionality. The first one is account management, and second one is matching, and the third one is direct messaging. And let's start to see how it works. It's our homepage, and there is a navy bar on the top of this page and have home, about, demo, and login. And the real functionality is a login page. About and demo is still on work, but the content of them is some introduction of this project, or we will maybe upload a demo video on this page. But here we can start to test our login functionality. So we can click this item, and here it will render in login form. And a new user have to register to the create an account form, so we can input some email and maybe like chatting user 10 gmail.com, and we can set our password, and there is a function to show the password I set, and you can hide it. So yeah, we successfully registered. So at this time we can start to do the login. Yeah, the same password. So well, yes, like yeah, it's this one. And here is our profile page. Of course, you can log out with this item, and we successfully log out, so the navbar will change. And the back of our login functionality is we have to register first, and this register will check the email first. So if we use the exist Gmail, we will not get we will get a fail because of the email is already in use. And the back of the password, we will use a hash algorithm to store their password because the password is very important. So basically we will store in a hash tab, and this is for security concern, so we do that at the backend. Yeah, so let's log in again. Yeah, got it. After we successfully log in, the backend will send the JSON Web Token JWT in our cookie, and it's HTTP only, so it have a basic security. And the token is here, so the user can refresh the page and still in the login state. And also, the user can use this token to send a request to the backend, and the backend can analyze this token to identify who the user is and check the user have authorization to use relevant resource. So it have the kind of security for visit the results in the backend. start to update our preference, our gender, or birthday, something like that. But we can first check our profile first in the database. And our name is chattinguser10 gmail.com. So our profile should be in the last one. And we can remember as ID, so as EF. Yeah, as the right one. So we basically set out their display name as new user and image is this dog. I like it. So we can start to upload our username to new username 10 and for female and birthday maybe like I am 1999 and major is computer science, and we can select our hobby like music and traveling and maybe hiking. We can do some self-introduction like I am Poe. And also we can delay the default image to let the user to upload their actual image. But we can change a dog here. Yeah. And the back of this image upload, we build a cloud storage in GCP, so the image will send to the GCP and return the real URL to our front end. And we can send the other one photo and the dog. Yeah. So we can confirm that and we can check out to see well the profile have been changed or not. Yeah. The new user will be our display name and the birthday is right and measure is right also and the image URL will be the cloud storage in GCP. Yeah, that is what we do. And also our preference we select and it will be in another table and still in object ID. Yeah, the goods. And in the bottom of this page, there are two forms here. The first one is reset password, and user can reset as password to a new one after they click this button, and also they can report an issue what happened on this platform or some feedback to our contributor. So if they type some message, we will see in the backend. Yeah, so let's start to do the discover one. And in the discover, we will meet the new student in the same college. So this is the new student we visit, and we can see their profile just like we said before, and we can click this match or match. And remember, this is the chatting user one. I will have a conversation with this dog afterward. Yeah, so I will check the like. Also like the new user too, so we can just like do this and dislike, yeah. So a new user file, yeah, something like that. But we haven't have a chat user yet because the other haven't select like or dislike at this time, so we will switch to the chatting user one to like our account. Yeah, let's start to check out. Let's log in the chatting user one. Yeah, and this is our profile, and on discover we can meet the new user. And The new user is new user 10, which I said before, so I will click the like one. Yeah, so congratulations, successfully matched. And there's no other account here to discover, so we can switch to the chat page. And here we can see the new user 10, and this is the previous account we match each other. And here is a message, and it will scroll down to the nearest time, and the last message time also, and there is also the date he sent the message to us, and also their profile. Yeah, so I will start to talking to the new user 10, and you can switch their photo, so I will say hello to him. Hello, I want to ask, can we get high grade? Yes, thank you. Yeah, so I hope the new user 10 will receive this message. So in a chat page, I can see the chatting user one send us, and they have unread notification. So after I click this button, I can receive their communication, their word. And so yes, sure you can. Yeah, so we can immediately see what the user sent to us, and this is because we use the WebSocket, which is a protocol can immediately connect two or more users at real-time. Real-time communication protocol, WebSocket, each user will listen to two channels. And the first channel is to the user you are chatting to, so you can immediately see what they send to you in this chatting room. And the other channel we subscribe is our private channel, so other can send their message to our channel, so we can analyze what the user sent to us by the message receiver ID and sender ID. So if we log into the user 2 and I chat to this account, so hi. So I send a message, hi, how are you? So we can immediately see the user 2 sent to us, and we can bubble a notification to the top of this page. So yeah, we can switch another direct channel to this user. Yeah, so this is what we done in this chatting room. Yeah, so this is the functionality we do in our application. You can see this project on our GitHub repo. Here is a link. Here is our original design, and we implement most of it. Yeah. And here is our model design. So hope you like this project, and we also do some testing for this application, like unit test and API testing at the back end. And also we use version control to cooperate with each other. And here's our comment. So if we build a new feature, we will create a new branch for sure and do a pull request on GitHub. And here's our commit. Yeah, a lot of. So we will also update our application in the future. Yeah, hope you like it. Thank you for your listening.